Basic video editing has been shown in other video. Video link given in description box, also given in above I button. In this video we'll learn how we can trim, split any video, how we can adjust our logo, how we can add another video onto our video, how we can adjust the setting of lower third or subscribe button onto our video, and so on. What's up guys, hope you guys are fine. If you see our videos for the first time, please subscribe our channel. So without making any further delay, let's go to the screen directly. On the screen we log on to KineMaster, and from media option we have imported a video clip from our gallery. Once we click onto this video layer, you can see a scissor option. Now you'll have to select from which portion of your video you want to cut it down. Say for example, I want to cut it down from this position. For this reason, I take my cursor in this place, click onto scissor option. I want to cut full left part of playhead, so that I'll have to click on trim to left of playhead. The selected cursor portion has lost full left part of playhead. If we want to remove some middle position of any video play, we'll have to click onto video layer again and set the cursor from which place we want to cut it down. We'll now click on to split at playhead. One part of playhead has been selected. Up to which portion this video has to be cut down, I'll have to also select. For this reason, if I want to cut up to this portion, then we will have to select our cursor up to this option. Then again I'll have to click on to split at playhead, so that the middle portion of two parts has been selected and it has been splitted out. Once we click onto this part, in the left corner you can see that delete option, so that we can delete this splitted area very easily. Now I am showing the way I am adding my animated logo. At first I import from media. I position it at the right corner of my video. Now I directly go to overall animation. Various kinds of animation are there. We'll select squishing. In this way my logo is animated. Then we'll have to drag it up to end part of the video. If we want to add another video to our main video, click onto media option, add our selected or suggested video, then it will be added with your video. Now I'll show you the way you can add lower third at your video. Lower third can be called extensive information of your channel, of your video, whereas you can call for liking, sharing your video and subscribing your channel and other social media links. These types of information you can add on lower third. So I'm showing you the way you can add lower third at your video. Just click onto layer and you'll have to select from your gallery the selected lower third. Adjust the position of your lower third and set the position into your video. So in this way you can trim your video, cut it down, add another video to your main video, add lower third. Hit the like button, share as many as possible, and give your comment what kind of video do you want.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling. Exaggerated, that's what you assume.